2021 worksheet. So let's start off with number 1. Pick the fact that does not belong in the family of 10. So when it says pick the fact that does not belong in the family of 10, it's basically asking us to pick the equation that when added up does not equal 10. So let's test out all these equations to see if it adds up to 10 or not. A, 2 plus 8, that equals 10. So A doesn't work. B, 9 plus 1, that also adds up to 10, so that wouldn't work. C, 5 plus 5 also adds up to 10, so that's incorrect. And D, 7 plus 4, which adds up to 11, so that's the answer. Next, find a related addition fact for the fact family below. 15 plus 5 equals 20. So it's asking us for the addition fact, which means any subtraction equation is incorrect. So we see subtraction in letters B and D, so we can eliminate those. And looking at choices A and C, our answer needs to contain all the numbers in the original equation, which is 15, 5, and 20. And looking at option A, it has 20 and 5 and 25, but it doesn't have 15, so that's incorrect. And looking at C, it has 5, 15, and 20, so it contains all the original numbers. So C is our answer. Next, find a related subtraction fact for the fact family below. 18 minus 7 equals 11. So again, it's asking for subtraction, which means we can eliminate any options that have addition, like B, D, B, C, and D. And that means our answer, the only answer that would make sense would be A. Next, which fact is missing from this fact family? 12 plus 8 equals 20, 8 plus 12 equals 20, 20 minus 8 equals 12. So based off these three equations, we need another subtraction equation because we have two addition and one subtraction. So that if we need another subtraction equation, we can eliminate option A because that's addition. And looking at option B, 12 minus 8 equals 4. The number 4 is not in any of these equations, which means it's not part of the fact family. So B is wrong. And same thing with C. It contains 4, so that's incorrect. And D, 20 minus 12 equals 8. That is the same thing as 20 minus 8 equals 12, except for the 8 and 12 are flipped. So that would be the correct answer. Next, pick the fact that does not belong in the family of 12. So let's find all the numbers that add up to 12. 1 and 11, 2 and 10, 3 and 9, 4 and 8, 5 and 7, and 6 and 6. So looking at our answer choices, A, 2 plus 10, that is one of the facts right here. B, 9 plus 3, that's also right here. C, 5 plus 7, that's right here as well. And D, 7 plus 6 is not one of the numbers here, so that's the answer. Next, find a related addition fact for the fact family below. 12 plus 9 equals 21. So asking for addition, which means eliminate subtraction, like B and D. In option A, 21 plus 9 equals 30. We have the number 30, which is not anywhere in the equation, so that's incorrect. And C, 9 plus 12 equals 21. That has all the numbers from our original equation. So moving on, find the result of the addition by using the number line below. 28 plus 6. So we can see here that they split up 6 into 2 and 4, and they already added the 2, and 30. And the number here is the number after adding 4. So we can add 4 by adding 2 twice. So 30 plus 2 is 32. And 32 plus 2 is 34. And that also makes sense because we're adding 28. We're adding 28. We're adding 2 to 28 3 times. So 28, 1, 2, 3. So our final answer would be A, 34. Next, which fact is missing from this fact family? 25 plus 6 equals 31. 6 plus 25 equals 31. 31 minus 6 equals 25. So we're going to need another subtraction equation because we have 2 addition. So we can eliminate options A and options D. And looking at option B, we need the numbers 31, 6, and 25. But option B has 25, 6, and 19. 19 isn't one of the numbers, so we can eliminate B. But C, 31 minus 25 equals 6. That contains all the numbers because 25 and 6 are just flipped. And that's all we're going to do for today.